What's good, everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video. Today's video, I have a special pair coming in from Los Angeles. And it's from a friend that I've known for quite some time. And he was able to share with me a pair that he got for retail. And this is the Fragment Air Jordan 3. Let's take a look. So my good friend Nell was able to get these pairs of shoes at Undefeated in Los Angeles. So again, pretty cool box. I like that Jordan brand is, mixing it up with the boxes here. Kind of gives it that special touch. Here is the box label. If you guys are ever interested in all the details there. On the inside, you have Fragment Design on the logo and the Jumpman. So I personally did not try and go after this pair of shoes. One, because it just looks too plain. You guys remember the Fragment Design Air Jordan 1 with that simple white and blue colorway? I guess they try to keep it simple with this one here. And I'm not mad at the simplicity, but for a collab, I almost think like it needs to be out there. It needs to be thought after a lot more. This is a simple, like, take an Air Jordan 11 and you put it on an Air Jordan 3. This is what it is. So let's take a look up close. So here we go. White tumble leather upper. Smooth leather on the tongue, white Jumpman on the tongue, clear tab on the back, although it doesn't show on camera, or you probably can't even pick it up, but typically they'll do like a glue base here on the back tab to keep it in place, and you can already see the yellowing going all the way around here at the bottom of the back tab. So it's got Fragment Design right on the back of the back tab, along with the Jumpman Air on the actual tab itself. Then you got Fragment Design's logo right there on the heel. And then a little of the text that Jordan Brand usually does with their product here. Fall 2020 men's Jordan lifestyle. That's what the LS is. And then some of the coding here, I'm not too sure to make it out. Fragment Design. White midsole, you can see like a lot of the blemishes coming through. Not too much thought there when it comes to, craftsmanship. Then you got this leather rand that goes all the way across. There is no elephant print whatsoever on the shoes, so that's all eliminated. You can see the texture of the tumble leather looks really nice. I give them that. Something about the black here though, as you can see with the toes. So it does remind me of the Air Jordan 9, Air Jordan 11, somewhere around that neighborhood. But with this being blacked out, you can see it kind of makes the toe a little bit shorter. Like the appearance of it makes it look a little bit shorter. I'm not too sure how I feel about that. These happen to be a size 8.5 in men's. So I just realized that as I'm doing a review for this pair of shoes, that Nell wears a 10.5. And he definitely ordered a 10.5. But the shoes are an 8.5. So something happened there. Undefeated, I think you got your orders mixed up, or you did like some switcheroo. So if somebody out there has an 8.5 pair expecting an 8.5 pair and you have the 10.5 pair, get in contact with me or Undefeated and let them know. I already let Nell know. What a mix-up, man. Anyways, back to the video. So checking out the other shoe here. Same type of deal. Not too much difference between left and right. Got a white outsole with black pods and Nike in white text. The tongue itself, perforated, smooth tongue up top. They kept the lining here of the tongue just like the rest of the Air Jordan 3s that have released recently, where they put the leather up and over. On the back of the tongue, it says Fragment. This is on the left shoe. Same thing on the right. And it's upside down. On the inside here, we get, typical shoe tree. And then the insole, you have a blue insole with Fragment Design's logo and the Jumpman going all the way up. So not particularly in the middle, it kind of like veers off. You can see here. So here's the underside of the insole here. You can see like the yellowing. There's a bit of yellowing all the way across underneath. It's got the nylon in there. Strobel board. You can see like the threading taped on underneath. And that's really about it. Right now the shoes are hovering between $550 to $600. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the shoe overall. I think it's really plain looking, and for it to be a collab and them just slapping on some logos, I don't think it's really enough for me to want to buy the shoe. Even though it was a limited sneaker, it's probably not something that I would pick up. To resell, yeah. But anyways, if you guys are interested, I'm dropping a link in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. It's an affiliate link, so anything you purchase off that link, I get a kickback of the sale, and it helps grow the channel. So let me see, there's something behind the, nope, there's nothing behind the tab here, so it's just a plain white tab back there. But that's about it. Anyways, again, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about the Fragment Air Jordan 3. Again, not sure if they're gonna have any more collabs in the works. It seems like it. Union ended up being a really nice collab with the Jordan 4. Of course, Virgil with Off-White doing his thing with the Air Jordans as well. And Travis Scott, probably really hot in sneakers right now. And it's pretty crazy how, like, some of the retros have been going. Man, this upper is really nice. But then again, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Check out new videos and older videos as well. And I will talk to you guys later. Take care.